All right, bet. Let's get to it. It's time to shade that head, right? If that line look like a horseshoe, let it go. If that joint look like a boomerang, or if it's looking like the McDonald's, you know what I'm saying, arch, let it go. There ain't no waiting till tomorrow. You got to get to it today.
There is no tomorrow.
Right? Now, first and foremost, I'm fresh out of the shower, right? Now, while you're in the shower, I recommend you get some type of exfoliating scrub. You know what I'm saying? This is good for head and face. Link would definitely be in the description, right? So once I got that off the way, you gotta make sure you get some type of brush, right? Brush that lather up. It ain't necessary, but it do make the job easier. You know what I'm saying? So you just hit that, hit it like that, the circle. You know what I'm saying? Circle. Now my black kings out there, what you want to do when you shave, you always want to go with the grain of your hair, with the direction of your hair. So if it's going forward, shave it forward. If it go down to the side, so it'll be like this, side, forward, back. You just gotta follow the hair pattern. You know what I'm saying? If you don't follow the hair pattern, it's gonna bump up like a Rice Krispie treat or like a Star Crunch. You know what I'm saying? So again, just go with the grain. The razor I'm using, it's a safety razor, right? I got it through, what's the name of that brand? Harry's. So I usually rock with the Harry's, you know what I'm saying? Harry's smooth, you know what I'm saying? And they last long too, the blades do. And stainless steel joints, you know? So again, just follow the direction. Follow the direction of the way your hair grows. If you go against the grain, it's gonna be some pain. You're gonna get them razor bumps, you know what I'm saying? So it's really important for you to learn the direction, learn that pattern, you know what I'm saying? You do that, you're gonna be official. You're gonna be clean, you know what I'm saying? I know some people say you should use cold water to keep the blade sharp, you know what I'm saying? I don't know the science behind that. I don't know if that's true or not, but I just use warm water, you know what I'm saying? So use warm water. It shouldn't take long either, you know what I'm saying? Once you get your pattern down, you know what I'm saying, you're gonna be good. You ain't gonna be walking around looking crazy. And for you dudes that don't wanna let it go, just let it go. You know what I'm saying? Just come on home, bro. Just come on home, just let it go, it'll be all right. And all you, if I got any women who watching this, who's scared to tell your man to let it go, just play this video. Just show them this video, you know what I'm saying? And they'll get it. No wrong with being bald. You know what I'm saying? Unless you want to go to Turkey and let them boys mess your head up, you know? But the things you can't control, just control them, you know what I'm saying? Things you can't, leave it up to God. But yeah, that's real basic shave, you know what I'm saying? Get the excess off, you know? And now if you got hair like in the back part, because that's where like my pattern get kind of crazy in the back, you know what I'm saying? Like on the back of my neck, I'll take like a regular like electric razor and like I hit that down. I'll knock that back down, but you know what I'm saying? Just keep it nice and clean. Keep it shaved, you know? Remember, the things you can't control, leave it up to God. Things you can't control them, you know what I'm saying? Get in shape, you know what I'm saying? You can control that, you know? Got a jacked up hairline like me, you can't control that. So just, you know, come on home. But peace, I'm out.